Hi again. Today's chart will be new. New is one of the coins that has a limited supply. I am also interested in it, but I will allocate maybe less money in this coin because of the fact of this thing here, because we see that wave 1 is bigger than wave 2, which maybe mean that it may not extend. Maybe, of course, it may break this line, or I will be targeting this area here. Let's say February. And I want to exit all my crypto at around November 2025 or here. So it will be around 70 maybe if it didn't break this. But now I will be actually shorting it because of this setup here. We have a very good setup here. This one here, I will mark first my fair value gaps. Here, this one, and this one here is a very good fair value gap here. We also have one here, but it's very small, so it may not be filled. And as we see here, we have a very good reaction here with this wick here, and then uh, a bearish candle here. It didn't close yet, but I think it will close in a bearish way. And this, and we have also a huge volume in this candle. Also, we have this reaction actually on the 61 retracement, which is this, the golden ratio. Fibonacci, I will be targeting. And first, we will look at weekly to see where will we target our trade. I think this here, this week, is should be our support zone. Let's mark it with gap box here. So I will exit it here around 5.25, which is a very good round number. And also maybe here, which is around 4.8. I don't know if we also have another confluence. Maybe we add the volume analysis. Actually, we will see that this price is lower than the price that most buyers bought it for. So this price is good to buy, but as I said before, I think it will still go a little bit lower, and then I will buy it. So I will be shorting it for maybe 2 weeks or so until I hit this area, and then I will buy it from here. So our positions will look like this. First, we will short it from here. I already actually entered my short. Unfortunately, I entered it here late a little bit because I thought, if you see, I have set up an alarm here to if any cross this level, because I wanted to short it above the fair value gap, but I don't think it will go upward to this level. If it goes there, I will add a little bit to my position. And to be more safe, it will be huge stop loss if you want it like this to be above this one, or you can put it above this one. Why above this one? Because if we look at 15 minutes short, we'll see actually we have a very good break structure here. Here. And price crossed the exponential, the 200 exponential moving average, which means I think this is our protected high. And also look at this volume here, is huge volume compared to the other volumes. This we see that like it's very huge. You can see it. It's very obvious. So I think this will be our protected high. So you can put your stop loss like above it a little bit here, maybe make it 8.25. And then, as we said before, we will talk. You see this double bottom pattern. It's usually under it there is a lot of liquidity under it, so we will target it, as we said, maybe 1.23 or 1.38. I don't want to take. Here is dangerous, I guess, because as I said before, here is our demand zone. So I will take part here, which will be a risk to reward ratio of around 4, and also here 4.6, and then I will open my long position. Will be long position. It will be also a long term. Maybe from here. Put stop loss maybe at 1. Or I usually buy these coins when I buy it at these prices. I usually buy it without stop loss because I buy it if I buy it at this price, I think it's very cheap. And then let's see our monthly chart. Here is our position, and I do this, like I remove it, and I will add it again here. As I said, around 4.7 would be my entry. And I said before, usually I want to exit all my crypto at around November 25, which will be around here. So I will exit at maybe 70, 75. If it reached 80, I'll be happy. So like this. Of course, it may break this line, so I will leave some open. I will not close all of it. I will leave some part open in case it broke this line and may go to this high, which is 200, which will make it a very great trade with 40 risk to reward ratio. But I will take most of my position here at 80, which will be like 16 risk to reward. And as you see here, it's not that great compared to other coins that we discussed before. So to sum it up, I will be shorting it for a couple of days, maybe weeks, and then I will start my long position and they'll leave it for 2 years maybe. That's it. Follow for more.